Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today's unit, I'll be reviewing this beautiful unit by XrsBeauty. And as you guys can see, this unit comes pre-plucked very well. And because this is a deep wave unit, I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash this hair just to loosen up these curls. If you prefer a tighter curl, by all means, guys, just wear it straight out the box. So I'm gonna co-wash this hair using my silicone mix conditioner. And then after that, I'm going to put some of my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. And a little bit of wet line gel to help and set these waves. Okay, dolls, so now that I let the hair air dry, I'm ready to install it. And this is what it looks like now that it's air dry. As you can tell, the curls are a lot looser. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this has been air drying for 2 days. But we can act like it's been 2 hours, you know. The same. So let me go ahead and put this on. But wait, before I do, I'm using a light stocking cap today. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder on my stocking cap to get it to blend with my complexion. Let me apply some alcohol to my forehead to clean some of this makeup off. So this unit does come with an adjustable elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the inside of this wig cap. I do think this stocking cap looks a little light, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. I'm gonna take some of the level 12 foundation and I'm gonna apply it to the front of this unit. Still a little reddish, but it'll work. Now I did notice that this hairline comes down a little low on my forehead, more than I would like, so I'm gonna cut some of that off. When it comes to hairlines, that's like a personal preference. If you like your hairlines to hit your eyebrows, have at it. I don't. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna proceed with laying this down, and then when I cut the lace, I'll cut into it, and that's gonna just give me more of a melted, growing out the scalp look anyway. I'm using my new favorite hairspray, the Wonder Lace Bond Extra Mega Hold and the Extreme Firm Hold. This lace, I'm gonna just go ahead and say that this lace is bomb. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down with an elastic band. I'm just gonna put some foundation on my forehead to replace what I wiped off with the alcohol and to blend in those edges. She is definitely melted. Let's have a moment of silence. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder to the parting area. Let me sit back so you guys could get a look at this hair and how pretty she is. Woohoo! So I already showed y'all what I put on this. I put the Cantu Shea Butter and I used some of the Wet Line Gel. But I also mentioned that this hair has been sitting dried for 2 days now. And I love the fact that it still has its curls. It didn't get all big and puffy. And basically, I don't think I'm doing anything else to this install. I'm gonna add a little hair polish just to give it a little sheen. And she good to go. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. I don't even feel like adding any baby hairs. And y'all know, if you follow me, you know, anytime I do any type of curly type install, I always add baby hairs. But the way this hairline is melting, baby, I don't even want to do it. Like, it looks good on its own. What y'all think? I be feeling like baby hairs belong with like curly hair. But this hairline is given. It is given. It is given. I'm sorry. It's given. Okay, so let me go ahead and give y'all the details on this unit really quickly. Okay, so this unit is from XrsBeauty Hair. And it's crazy because I've been pronouncing it XrsBeauty for the longest. I mean, look how it's spelled. I mean, can you blame me? But somehow that spells Chris. Okay, so let me show y'all quickly the stuff that comes in the box, because they do include some nice goodies that you might find useful. They give you these 2 clips, a baby hair brush, a wig cap. Oh wow, well, this is an extra dark wig cap, but it's a dark wig cap, so we're gonna give them a E for effort, because a lot of times they don't send me no dark wig caps. A big tooth comb, which would have been helpful when I was combing through the shea butter and the XrsBeauty. And they give you some flexi rods. Now that is useful, and I guess that's to help if you want to help like maintain those big curls that it had initially when I took it out the box. I personally prefer the looser wave, but you know, it's to each his own. I like this loose wave. I like how it, I was gonna sell this unit, but I don't know. And I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. I might have to keep this one, because I really like how this wave pattern looks. It's beautiful. And I do have one of their other units that I did not sell, and I still wear it. The Xrsbeauty.com, so I will vouch for that. And the only issue has been with me, the hairline, and I think they got it right this time. Really quickly, they did want me to show you guys some lace. They wanted me to glue it to my arm like every other vendor, but I'm not doing that, okay? You guys have seen lace glued to your arms more than I'm sure you care to. And quite honestly, I think the product install speaks for itself. You don't really need to see the lace compared to other lace. You could see this lace is butter, is melted, it's giving. What these patches are gonna do, I have no idea. But this is their clear lace. This is the transparent lace. This is a brown lace. I guess glued to the arm would have helped, but I think glued to the head is what really matters. I don't know. You guys comment and let me know down below. If y'all interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. But of course, y'all gonna need to help me name this wig. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. Okay, dolls, this is what I wore when I went out. This outfit is from shopfabulous.com. Be sure and check out the website where you'll find trendy clothes at reasonable prices. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Also, guys, if you're into decor, be sure and check out my balcony remodel video that I also launched as well. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And it's always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.